Hadian bami kejingeki niki nong hikai berki samla puli ke skul ba nihu halor ki jingkno abula thungkam yu registrar yu deputy registrar but OSD in charge of guest house ki bom patkot ke kerdan bantrei kita ki kam nakaliang vice chancellor ke skul ba nihu professor Prabha Sankar Shukla minta kesngi kan riu terik unai weng aja apusau ula pensyai ba don bor ban shuweng yeki namar la thong yeki kat kum ka ai Vice Chancellor Nehu, Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla, ula kirpar ru ikinong hikai berki samla puli, banweng no kajingeki, banwan shikami jingakren.
The norms, rules and the system. Because I am also bound with the rules and regulation. Always ready to discuss my students. Or discuss my teachers or जो है non-teaching association. My request to the student union, non-teaching union, and also if the teaching unions are involved. Because directly I am not even getting anything with teaching union is not that. Kindly call off the agitation in the interest of the Nehu students. What will be the consequences if it is going there for a long time? Definitely the examination will be affected. So who will be the sufferer? So come on the table, ready to discuss the matter, to find out the amicable solution under the system, rules and norms. And I always, not only ready, I am also ready to go anywhere. Students and other unions, please call up the agitation, come on the table, discuss the matter to find out the amicable solution under the norms and the system. I am always ready, I am always free to discuss the matter.